Hello everyone, I'm Monica and you are tuned into the 549th episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today, we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry. So let's dive right in. Let's kick off today's episode with some exciting news from Business Standard. How India can make healthcare more affordable for all. Despite significant progress, millions still face financial hardship due to medical expenses. But the good news is the solutions are within reach. India has already made strides in reducing out of pocket health expenditure from 74% in 2001 to around 50% in 2021. Schemes like Ayushman Bharat PMJAY have brought hospitalization coverage to over 500 million people. However, challenges remain. Many procedures that don't require hospital admission still generate high cost. And current schemes often don't incentivize preventive care. This means that while we are reacting to illness, we are not doing enough to prevent it. To truly make healthcare affordable, the system needs to shift from being reactive to proactive. That means investing in primary care, diagnostic, and wellness programs that catch issues early before they become emergencies. It also means improving the design of public insurance schemes so that reimbursements are timely and adequate, encouraging hospitals to participate fully and deliver quality care. Up next, we spotlight a recent report from Economic Times. The growing integration of robotic surgery into health insurance coverage in India. Robotic assisted surgeries are no longer a futuristic concept. They are becoming a reality in operating rooms across the country, especially in orthopedic procedures like joint replacements. These surgeries offer patients smaller incisions, reduced blood loss, faster recovery, and fewer complications. The good news is that India is moving in the right direction. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, or IRDAI, had already taken a progressive step in 2019 by directing insurers to include modern treatments like robotic surgery in their offerings. However, coverage still varies widely across plans. While some public sector insurers offer comprehensive support, others impose caps or sublimit that leave patients with significant out of pocket expenses. This inconsistency highlights the need for greater alignment between medical innovation and insurance design. As robotic surgery becomes more accessible, insurers must revisit outdated reimbursement structures and ensure that policyholders are not penalized for choosing safer, more effective procedures. Clearer communication, standardized definitions, and streamlined claim process can go a long way in reducing confusions and delays. Our next update from The Hindu highlights that Canara HSBC Life Insurance, in collaboration with PolicyBazaar.com, has launched the EZ Pension Plan, a market-linked retirement solution designed for a long-term financial independence. With India's aging population set to nearly double by 2050, the plan offers a disciplined, flexible, and growth-oriented approach to retirement planning. What sets it apart? A customer-first design with zero allocation charges, meaning 100% of the premium goes into investment. It also offers flexibility in retirement age and premium payment terms, along with unlimited free fund switches, allowing policyholders to adapt their strategy as life evolves. Our final story today from the Economic Times highlights that Apollo 24/7 has officially entered the insurance space, aiming to revolutionize healthcare access and affordability. Now a licensed corporate insurance agent, it will distribute policies from 12 insurers across health, life, and general categories. With over 150 million users, Apollo 24/7 will use AI to match users with personalized insurance plans. It is also launching a health-focused credit card that rewards spending on medicines, diagnostic, and consultations, further integrating financial tools into everyday healthcare journey. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast Here and Now will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.